All right, let's get right into it. We're talking about a massive shift, a fundamental change in how people are building incredibly successful businesses on Amazon. And the engine driving all of this, you guessed it, artificial intelligence. So today, we're going to break down the brand new playbook for 2026.
So this is the big question, right? It's on everyone's mind. With more sellers and more competition than ever before, can you actually still make real money on Amazon? Well, the answer is a huge yes, but, and this is a big but, the way you have to do it has completely, totally changed.
And this is the key. You have to understand this shift. The old way, it was all guesswork, intuition, spending endless hours on manual research. It was high risk, and growth was painfully slow. The new way? It's all about data. It's about automated systems that let you scale fast with a laser focus on profit from day one. So, here's a quick look at our roadmap. We're going to see how the game has changed, how AI becomes your co-pilot, and then we'll get into the practical stuff. Finding products, making them more profitable, and putting your growth on autopilot. By the end, you'll see the entire system for building an AI-powered business.
First things first, the FBA game has totally changed. In 2026, you have to realize the entire Amazon marketplace is basically run by AI. Anyone who's still clinging to those old, manual ways, well, they're not just falling behind, they're getting left in the dust.
So, what's the solution? You've got to start thinking of AI as your new co-pilot. Seriously, this isn't some complicated, futuristic thing anymore. It's a partner, an essential partner that makes every single part of your business simpler, smarter, and way more powerful. And here's why it's such a game changer. It's not just one cool trick, it's a whole toolkit of superpowers. AI can literally predict if a product will be profitable, spot risks in the market, change your pricing automatically for maximum profit, and it can even build your product listings for you. Let's just zoom in on one of the most powerful features here, profitability prediction. Imagine, for a second, being able to scan thousands of products in an instant and have a machine tell you, hey, this one's a winner, or nope, that one's a dud. This is absolutely massive for cutting down your financial risk before you even think about investing.
Okay, enough of the why. Let's get practical. How do you actually use AI to find these profitable products? This is where the rubber meets the road. We're going to walk through a hands-on system for discovering those high-margin gems.
This table is a perfect illustration of a core idea called the DMC filter. So AI tools can score products on three really important things: demand, margin, and competition. And with a simple formula, just take demand, add margin, and subtract competition, you instantly get a score. And look at that. The Bamboo Desk Organizer is the clear winner here. It's practically waving a flag saying, "Sell me." And the best part is, this isn't just a lucky guess. It is a repeatable 7-step system you can use over and over again. You pick a niche, you let the AI scan it, you use that scoring system to compare everything, filter out the risky ones, and then you validate your top picks with real market data. It's a workflow designed to find winners consistently.
So, you found a fantastic product. Great, but that's really only half the battle. Now we need to figure out how to squeeze every last drop of profit out of it, and that's where AI comes in to help you optimize your sourcing and your listings.
I mean, just look at this example. It's night and day, right? On the left, you've got this basic, boring title, but on the right, you've got the same product supercharged by AI. It's packed with keywords and, more importantly, benefits that customers actually care about, like leak-proof and keeps drinks cold. This tiny change can have a huge impact on your clicks and sales.
An AI could dig even deeper into your product spec sheet to find hidden money by suggesting small tweaks, like maybe removing one utensil from a set that nobody uses or switching to smaller packaging. You can literally add dollars to your profit margin on every single thing you sell.
And those little changes, they add up fast. In that one example, those simple AI-suggested tweaks led to an extra $2.50 in profit per unit. Now just imagine that multiplied by thousands of sales. The impact on your bottom line is absolutely enormous.
All right, let's talk about the one area where a lot of sellers lose their shirts: advertising. The goal with Amazon ads isn't just to get clicks. It's about getting profitable clicks. And AI totally transforms this game, shifting your focus from plain old pay-per-click to true profit per click. So here's how it works. Instead of you just guessing where to put your ad money, AI predicts where that money will have the biggest impact. It automatically pushes more of your budget towards the keywords that are actually making you sales and pulls back from the ones that are wasting your cash.
So what does this mean for you? Well, it means you stop wasting money on ads that don't convert. AI bidding systems are laser-focused on your profitability. Every single dollar you spend is working smarter to protect your margins and grow your bottom line. It's as simple as that.
Okay, let's pull all these pieces together now, because this isn't just about a few clever tricks. When you combine all these elements, you're building a complete AI-powered business. You're building a truly scalable, automated income stream.
You know, I think this quote from the source material just sums it all up perfectly. AI frees you to make smarter decisions faster, boosting profits while saving time. And that's really the ultimate goal here, isn't it? More profit, sure, but also more freedom.
And this is the core message I really want you to take away. This is not about working harder or putting in more hours than everyone else. It's about working smarter. It's about building a repeatable system that you can count on to generate predictable income month after month.
So I'll leave you with this question to chew on. What could you actually build if you had an AI co-pilot handling all the boring, time-sucking details for you? What new ideas could you explore? How fast could you really grow your business?
Now, if this got your wheels turning and you want to dive way deeper into all these strategies, everything we covered today comes directly from the book AI-Powered Amazon FBA 2026 by Jason Anderson. You can grab it on Amazon right now. And for all you audiobook fans, a version narrated by Tom Brooks is coming soon to audible.com.